Now in this video we will see some other options that are there on the data source tab itself. So I have clicked extract connection again, since I will be using extract connection for these tutorials. For now, maybe later I will show you live connection with the server. So let's connect returns with orders. If you take this sheet or the table and drop it here, you are getting this option to drag table to union, but I don't want to do it as union. I want to join these tables. So drop it on the right side. You can see it is automatically joined as inner join, and you can see the row IDs. First of all, we were getting 1 2 3 4, and now you are directly getting 19, which means row ID 1 and till 18 no order were returned. If I click on left join, that means it will reflect all the values on the left table. And if I go to right, and here you can see we had two columns. Let me show. If I go to returns, we have two columns, which is return and order ID. Going back to Tableau, you can see that order ID 1 till 18 are not returned, and if I go down, you can see that is this order returned? Yes, and the order ID of returned is this. If I go to left, it is the row ID 19 which was returned. So this is how we can join multiple tables on Tableau, and you can play with different type of join, which are inner, left, right and full outer. And you can also change primary keys of it. Since we just have order ID for now, so that's why it has automatically picked the primary key, the best primary key that is there on which it can be joined. But you can choose other options like city, but it cannot be joined to order ID. That's why it is not preferred. So yes, there are different options to join it. So let's click on order ID. So this is all about joins in Tableau. In the next video we will actually do some visualizations, or not, because there are some other concepts to be explained first before going to visualization. And seriously guys, if you watch these videos, you will get end-to-end clarification on each concept that is there on Tableau, because there are so many small things on Tableau which cannot be taught, but I'm trying my best to teach you everything, even the small steps or the small configuration that we do on Tableau. So please take care and learn Tableau very efficiently and practice it as I'm teaching side by side. So thanks guys for watching this video. See you guys soon.